Hi, I'm Mark Aguilar here with Steelcraft Automotive here at 2017 SEMA, showing a whole lot of our new products. All right, brand new for Steelcraft Automotive here for 2017 into 2018 is our one-piece Jeep replaceable bumpers. As you can see here, they are not only one piece, but our hoop here is removable to give you the package that you are looking for. Also, our front bumper accommodates multiple winch sizes, multiple brands. And it's our one-piece Jeep bumper for this year. It not only accommodates a 35-inch spare tire on the factory spare tire holder, but if you have anything larger than that, we have the optional spare tire carrier that you can bolt into place, or if you do not need it, it does not need to come with it. It is an optional piece. And as always, all of our product is E-coated and powder coated. And you can find all Steelcraft products at autoaccessorygarage.com.